Eric Garcia, certified financial planner and co-owner of Garcia Insurance Services. And what I want to talk about right now are 5 reasons not to cancel your flood insurance if you're in a preferred zone. So preferred zone is a flood zone which you're less likely to have a flood. Here's the 5 reasons. First, you may be aware that Jefferson Parish has redone their flood maps. So if you live in Jefferson Parish, you may be getting one of these letters if you currently are in a standard flood zone that's more likely to flood. So here's an example of a letter. It says that FEMA has released flood insurance rate map changes for the area in which the building insured on the above reference policy is located. The remapping resulted in the insured building being wrapped from a high risk special hazard area to a lower risk X zone. Another flood insurance company is essentially sending out a similar letter. However, they're also issuing a cancellation of your existing policies. If you get a cancellation notice in the mail of your standard policy, it's because they're going to be rewriting it or reissuing it in the preferred status. This particular policy went from $1,460 to $389. It's a significant drop in premium. If you have a mortgage on your house, your mortgage company is more than likely going to send you a letter that says you no longer need to carry flood insurance. For example, this letter from Chase Bank up in New York. I don't know what they're thinking up there in New York. This is what it says. Flood insurance is no longer required on your loan. We're writing to let you know that the property referenced above is no longer located in a special hazard area. This means that flood insurance is not required. Now, let me be very clear. There's a difference between flood insurance not being required and flood insurance being highly recommended that you carry. Just because your mortgage company says you don't need it, here's 5 reasons why I think you do need it. Number 1, the topography of New Orleans or Southeast Louisiana, we're a bowl, we're below sea level. Water just collects, it's got nowhere to go. We're surrounded by water. Number 2, sounds obvious, we're in Hurricane Alley. The obvious one is Katrina. Remember Katrina? It didn't hit here, but remember Harvey hit Houston last year? More than 80% of those properties were located in preferred zones that are not supposed to flood. Properties that were not required to have flood insurance, but yet they flooded. Number 3, just rain events here in New Orleans. August 5th, 2017. Remember what happened in the city? Mid-city was underwater. The floods up in Baton Rouge in 2016. Remember that? The majority of those properties were not required to carry flood insurance because they were in preferred flood zones. 4th reason why you need flood insurance, our pumps don't work. 16 pumps were down, caused flooding around the city. There's no guarantee that they're going to work next time around. 5th reason why you should carry flood insurance even if you're not required to carry it is because 46 tons of Mardi Gras beads were found in our catch basins. If you remember last year after the pump stopped working, there was this big effort in the city to go clean out the catch basins. They found 46 tons of Mardi Gras beads in those catch basins. Who knows what else is going to fill those catch basins and plug them up, and the next time the rain comes, it's going to flood. So look, if you just got a letter from your mortgage company saying you're not required to carry flood insurance anymore, I hope those 5 reasons are compelling enough for you to continue to carry it. The good news is it's going to be significantly less because you're no longer in a standard zone, but a preferred zone. If you're watching this and you currently don't have flood insurance because you're currently in a preferred zone, buy flood insurance. It's an inexpensive way to protect your house and to protect your property and to give you an incredible amount of peace of mind. Thanks for watching.